Good morning, students. Today we learn the topic extraction of aluminium. Extraction of aluminium. What is extraction? It is purifying the metal according to its reactivity. What is extraction? It is purifying the metal according to its reactivity. This is electronic configuration of aluminium. Aluminium atomic number 13, electronic configuration 283. 2 electrons in the first cell, 8 electrons in the second cell, 3 electrons in the outermost cell. This is a symbol of aluminium Al. Atomic number 13. Atomic weight 26.982. This is a crystal structure. Symbol Al. Electronic configuration 3s2 3p1. Metallurgy of aluminium. Aluminium is the metal found most abundantly in the earth crust. Abundantly means large quantities. Abundantly means large quantities available in the earth crust. Since it is a reactive metal, it occurs in the combined state. It also present with the combined state also. Combined state means also mixed with other metals. The important ores of aluminium. What are the important ores of aluminium? First one is bauxite. Second one cryolite. Third one corundum. Bauxite, cryolite, corundum. The formula of bauxite is Al2O3 2H2O. Cryolite Na3AlF6. Corundum Al2O3. Bauxite, cryolite and corundum. These are also the important ore of aluminium. But the main ore, that is chief ore of aluminium, is bauxite. The extraction of aluminium from bauxite involves two steps. These are also the example of ore of aluminium. That is bauxite ore. This is a bauxite ore. This is cryolite ore. Corundum ore. Then first method, Bayer's process. First method, Bayer's process. Extraction of aluminium involved two steps. First, Bayer's process. In this Bayer's process, the crushed ore taken in this vessel, here bauxite ore is reacted with the sodium hydroxide to form sodium meta-aluminate. Then sodium meta-aluminate is treated with water to form aluminium hydroxide AlOH thrice. And then it is heated up to 1000 degrees Celsius to form alumina Al2O3. In this process, the precipitator and calciner also used. What is a precipitator? An apparatus for causing precipitation, especially a device for removing dust from a gas. This is precipitator. Then what is calciner? A calciner is a steel cylinder that rotates inside a heated furnace and performs high temperature processing within a controlled atmosphere. So finally we get alumina. Next, conversion of bauxite into alumina, Bayer's process. The conversion of bauxite into alumina involves the following steps. Bauxite ore is finely ground, that is converted into small pieces and heated under pressure with a solution of concentrated caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide solution, at 150 degrees Celsius to obtain sodium meta-aluminate. Then, on diluting sodium meta-aluminate with water, a precipitate of aluminum hydroxide is formed. A precipitate of aluminum hydroxide. This is sodium meta-aluminate, NaAlO2, plus treated with water to H2O to form AlOH thrice, that is pure aluminum hydroxide. Next, the precipitate is filtered. This precipitate is filtered, then washed and dried and ignited. Ignited means heated up to 1000 degrees Celsius to get alumina. 2AlOH thrice, that is aluminum hydroxide, is heated up to 1000 degrees Celsius to form Al2O3 alumina. This is overall reaction. Bauxite first treated with the sodium hydroxide, Al2O3 is formed, then filtered, other impurities are removed by filtration method, then add water to filtrate. After filtration, aluminum hydroxide precipitate is formed. The residue is heated to obtain a pure Al2O3 alumina. Then second method, electrolytic reduction of alumina by Hall's process. Aluminium is produced by the electrolytic reduction of fused alumina, that is Al2O3, in the electrolytic cell. In this method, iron tank lined with graphite, tank inside coated with graphite, it is act as cathode. A bunch of graphite rod suspended, that is hanged in the molten cryolite, inside the molten cryolite. The bunch of graphite rod act as anode. What is electrolyte? Electrolyte pure alumina plus molten cryolite. Pure alumina plus molten cryolite plus fluorspar. This is called electrolyte. This electrolyte is used in Hall's process. What is fluorspar? Fluorspar lowers the fusion temperature. Fluorspar lowers the fusion temperature. Fusion temperature means the degree of temperature at which a substance melts. What is fusion temperature? The degree of temperature at which a substance melts. This is called fusion temperature. Pure alumina plus molten cryolite plus fluorspar taken as in the Hall's process. This is act as a electrolyte. A temperature 900 to 950 degrees Celsius is involved. Current voltage required 5 to 6 volt. What is the overall reaction? Al2O3. 2 Al2O3 gives 4 Al plus 3 O2. Purest form of aluminum is produced by electrolysis method. This is Hall's process. Diagram. Steel shell. This is outermost steel shell. Inside coating with carbon cathode lining, and then carbon anode, bunch of carbon anode. This is positive, this is negative. The cryolite is taken, and then after electricity is passed, finally we get purest form of aluminium. Aluminium is deposited at the cathode and oxygen gas is liberated at anode. Oxygen combines with the graphite to form carbon dioxide. What are the physical properties of aluminium? It is a silvery white metal. It has low density. Aluminium has low density. The density is 2.7 and it is light, very light. It is malleable and ductile. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity. This is an important point. Aluminium is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Its melting point is 660 degrees Celsius. Aluminium melting point is 660 degrees Celsius. It can be polished to produce a shiny, attractive appearance. The important ore of aluminium: bauxite, cryolite and corundum. Two methods are involved in this method. First one is Bayer's process. Second one is Hall's process. This is the first step, that is ore we get from the earth crust. Then after some purification method, it is converted into a metal. Then after some other purification method, we get the purest form of metal. Then it is converted into some articles. Thank you, students.